Ever wondered if that trendy bone broth protein actually counts as real protein or if it's like trying to get workout gains from chewing on your gym socks? Well, stick around because today we're putting Paleovalley Bone Broth Protein under the microscope, and trust me, you'll want to hear this before you shake it into your smoothie. So what exactly is this stuff? Paleovalley's bone broth protein isn't your typical whey or soy shake. It's basically slow simmered beef bones that are dried into a powder rich in collagen and amino acids that might support your joints, skin, and digestion. It's made from grass-fed beef bones with nothing else added. No chemicals, no fillers. Here's the honest truth. Yes, it is a protein source, but it's not the same as your classic muscle building powders. You're looking at about 13 grams of protein per scoop, which is respectable but definitely not huge compared to whey, which can hit 20 to 25 grams more easily. So if you're expecting crazy mass gains, this ain't it. Now here's where the hype gets interesting. This bone broth version is packed with collagen, the stuff people rave about for things like joint comfort and skin elasticity. Some users do feel less bloated or notice smoother skin after consistent use, but science tells us the body actually breaks collagen down the same way it does other proteins. So the magic miracle benefits are not guaranteed. From personal experience, and yes, I've mixed this into morning coffee and smoothies like the wellness gurus. It does mix decently, especially in a blender, but it's definitely not a chocolate milkshake. Some folks online says it smells like bone broth and can even taste a bit earthy or bitter if you just stir with water. So who is this actually good for? If you're lactose intolerant, sensitive to whey, or just want clean, minimally processed protein with added collagen, it's a legit choice. But if you're chasing big gym gains or need a complete protein source for serious muscle growth, this shouldn't be your main go-to. Think of it as a niche tool, not a protein panacea. Legit product, yup, it's real protein, just in a different league than whey. Worth a try. If clean ingredients matter to you but don't expect superhero results, smash that like button if you learned something, and I'll catch you in the next review. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.